Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, there lived two girls who couldn't have been more different. Amara, the daughter of a wealthy merchant, had everything money could buy but felt lonely in her grand house. On the other side of the village, Lila lived in a small cottage with her loving family, where happiness was abundant despite their modest means. One sunny afternoon, as Amara walked through the village market,
you won't believe this, but this particular YouTube channel makes over $20,000 every single month easily, as most of its videos are currently doing between 10 million to 79 million views consistently. As you can see on screen, this channel has gained over 1.1 billion views and amassed over 2.4 million subscribers by simply creating 2D animation stories for kids. As proof, I'm just going to copy the channel link and head over to Social Blade. And from the data we can see on screen, this channel has gained over 10 million views in the past 30 days alone and has made between $2,000 to $40,000 this past month alone. Now the actual figure is really at the center of that, which is fair to say that this channel consistently makes over $25,000 every single month from just creating kids 2D animation stories. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily beat this channel by creating 3D animations with AI instead of the contemporary 2D animations. And the best part is, once you've mastered this, it takes you less than 10 minutes to create every video and upload to your channel. And believe me guys, these kind of videos are getting extremely popular these days. And the simple reason is because they are usually aimed at entertaining and educating kids, and we all know that kids love watching a particular video over and over and over again, thereby greatly and massively boosting the retention in your videos. So I'll show you guys exactly what you need to do to get this method working for you. At this point, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now you want to go over to ChatGPT and paste in this particular prompt and hit enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT is slicing through our request for it to create a story for us having at least one human moral in it. After this, you want to paste in the second prompt instructing ChatGPT that you want to use this particular script in a YouTube video. So it should generate image prompts for you. And once again, it is creating our prompts adequately. And now that we are done with this step, let's head over to the next step. Now you want to head over to Google and type in leonardo.ai and click on the website as you can see on screen, and then click on get started and image creation. And when it loads up, hover onto the preset on the left corner of the interface and choose cinematic Kino. And then click on the image guidance in the prompt box and click on view more, and then go down and select Toons and Animate. Now what you want to do at this point is to paste in the prompt for the images from ChatGPT and start generating these images one by one. And after the first image is done, now you can easily just repeat this same process and download these images into your system. And let's head over to the next step. Now head over to Google and type in ttsfree.com, and the website is going to ask you to sign up, and if you sign up you get 2,000 characters per generation. If not, you are just going to be limited to 500, which is very time consuming. This website is one of, if not the only good AI voiceover platforms that offer very consistent and realistic AI voices for completely free, or should I say almost free. So feel free to use the link in the description to check them out. At this point, you want to just copy your story from ChatGPT and paste it on TTS free text box, and then you want to hit the convert now button, and as you can see, it's quite fast, and there you have your voiceover. At this point, you want to feel free to preview your voiceover to make sure it's just right for what you want to use it for. As for me, I particularly love using Anna or Mitchell for stories, especially because they do the job just right. Now type in immensity.ai into Google and click on the first link as you can see on screen. Now the interface is going to take some time to load up, and after that you just want to click on the try now button and choose the sign up with Google option. It's faster and easier this way. And then you want to just follow the on-screen prompt and get into the software. And after all is done, you will be brought to this interface where you will see a white upload button. And now you just want to click on it to start uploading the images from Leonardo into the platform. And now you want to easily select one of the images you got from Leonardo AI and upload it onto Immensity. And in this platform, you have the option of selecting from several animation styles: vertical, horizontal, circle, perspective, and that's actually my favorite, zoom, and many other animation styles. So feel free to play around with this software and find out what works best for you. And now you can also choose the custom option where you can adjust these styles to fit your particular preference depending on the mood you want to set in your video. And once everything is to your liking, you want to select the export option, MP4 3D motion, next and next again, and export. And then when it is ready, you click on download. And now at this point, you just want to repeat this same process for the rest of the images. And let's head over to the next step. It took me 3 hours to generate this particular step, so I'm just going to speed things up so as not to waste your time, and I'll just be walking you guys through exactly what I did. First, you want to import all your audio and 3D Immensity images into CapCut, and then you want to drag and drop the voiceover narration into your timeline, and then you want to cut out the awkward silence areas adequately. At this point, you want to start dragging your images over the voiceover in the exact areas where they are fitted according to your story, and arrange them appropriately. And now you have to add your pull in and pull out transitions for more appeal. And next, you want to add your nature firefly effect over the entire clip. And then you want to drag and drop the clear filter for more visual appeal. At this point, you want to go over to your caption and add an appropriate colorful caption, and this is the perfect end result of our hard work.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, there lived 2 girls who couldn't have been more different. Amara, the daughter of a wealthy merchant, had everything money could buy but felt lonely in her grand house. On the other side of the village, Lila lived in a small cottage with her loving family, where happiness was abundant despite their modest means. One sunny afternoon, as Amara walked through the village market, she saw Lila playing joyfully with her brothers. They were laughing and chasing each other around a cart of fresh apples. Amara, feeling a pang of envy, wondered how they could be so happy with so little. Curiosity got the better of Amara, and she approached Lila, asking why she was always so happy despite having so little. Lila smiled and explained that she had everything she needed: her family, friends, and the love that made her feel rich in a different way. This was a perspective Amara had never considered. Invited by Lila, Amara joined in the fun. For the first time in a long while, Amara laughed and played without a care, feeling the warmth of genuine friendship. The simple joy of being with others who cared about her filled her heart in a way she had never experienced before. The next day, Lila visited Amara's grand house. She admired its beauty but noticed the sadness in Amara's eyes. Lila realized that despite all the luxury, Amara was lonely. She suggested that Amara visit her home more often, where her family's love would make her feel welcome and less alone. As their friendship grew, Amara and Lila spent more time together, learning from each other. Amara discovered the joy of simple pleasures in Lila's home, while Lila learned that true happiness doesn't come from wealth, but from the love and kindness shared with others. As they grew older, their bond only deepened. The village marveled at the strong friendship between the rich girl and the poor girl, but those who knew them understood the truth. They were not so different after all. True wealth is not measured by what you have, but by the love, friendship, and kindness you share with others.
Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.